Hi guys, I'm Johnny, and thanks to Avalon Bay air fryer, I am able to bring you this recipe today. So what is an air fryer? An air fryer is a mini convection oven that help you make healthier food without any oil. So today I'm making you how to make my crispy chicken wings in the air fryer. These are gonna be honey barbecue. They are so delicious. I am so excited to show you the recipe, and stay tuned throughout the video so you could know how you could get a discount to buy one of these, because you need it. It is amazing, guys. Everybody in my house love it. I love it. We all want to make things here because you don't need oil to make fried food. It is amazing. So let's get started. So guys, in a large bowl, what you're going to do is add your chicken wings. So these chicken wings, I rinsed them and I cut them into the drumettes and the flat, and I'm going to make sure that they're nice and dry. And after that, you're going to go ahead and add your seasoning. So if you follow me for a long time now, you know that every time I make chicken wings, I use baking powder, because baking powder will make sure that it give you a really nice crispy chicken wings, because it dries out any moisture. So this is my seasonings. I'm using baking powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. I'm just going to add them in there, and I'm going to, with my spoon, I'm going to mix everything together until it is nice and coated. And to cook my chicken wings, as you know, I'm going to use my Avalon Bay air fryer. My Avalon Bay air fryer has a 3.7 quart capacity. It brings a cookbook that shows you amazing recipes. It teaches you how to use it. It gives you great recipe idea using air fryers. It brings two pieces of baking sets, and this is also very easy to clean up. You just push that button there and the basket will come out, so you can clean it easily. It's also dishwasher safe. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add my chicken wings in there. I'm gonna bake this in batches, so set the time to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna cook this for 15 minutes. Okay, while my chicken wings are cooking, I'm gonna make a really delicious honey barbecue sauce. So here in this bowl, I have some barbecue sauce. I'm using the hickory kind. I'm gonna add some honey, some ketchup, and garlic powder. Mix everything together until it's well combined. I decided that I wanted a little kick, so I'm also adding some hot sauce. If you don't want to add the hot sauce, you don't have to, but it gives you like a nice balance of flavor. It is great. So I'm just gonna set that aside, and after 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and check my chicken wings. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip them, and I'm going to continue to bake this for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, these chicken wings look perfect. They're nice and crispy, and they taste amazing. Look how beautiful they look. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and dip them into my barbecue sauce, and then we're going to continue to bake these for about 5 minutes until the sauce is nice and sticky and bubbly. And make sure, as you notice, I use an aluminum foil because I don't want this to be a bigger mess. So I recommend that you use aluminum foil. And after that, these are ready. They look so delicious, guys, and they are delicious. I'm gonna serve them with a little ranch. They are to die for. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for honey barbecue chicken wings made in my air fryer. I am so in love with this air fryer. It cooks food in less time than the oven. Like, I used to make these chicken wings in the oven, and they used to take me an hour to make, and with my air fryer it only takes 30 minutes or even 25 minutes. It is amazing. Make sure to check the link in the description box so you could get a discount for everybody that is watching this video. There will be a discount. So give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.